Hi, we're just 1 month away before your passport is invalid. So it's time to renew your passport if you haven't, because just 1 month from today, your passport that you have, the Uganda passport, is not gonna work anymore. The old Uganda passport is not gonna work anymore. So today I'm here to help you step by step how to apply. I tried to help my friend to apply today. It was really hard to get to apply because I tried to look up videos on YouTube. There's nothing that really tells in basing here in US. There's no video that actually explains in details on how to apply if you're basing here in US. I think it's the same thing if you're basing in UK or other places that you want to renew your. So if you're interested and you want to know how to do it, just continue watching this video. I will explain all the ways, because when I talked to the customer service on the embassy, they told me it takes about between 6 to 8 weeks to get you a new passport. So if you are planning to travel next year, this is the time that you have to renew your passport so you can get it on time and you're ready to go. So if you're interested, I'm gonna head to my computer right there, and I'll show step by step on how to apply for this new East African passport. Okay, and the payment, I think it's about 300,000 Uganda shillings, about $80, $90 around there. You can use your Visa, MasterCard, and everything to pay. I'll show you. They also told me there's an interview that you have to do on phone. On like website or chat or something like that. So that's not a problem because we already been doing all Zoom calls. I think people are getting comfortable on online interview. So there you have it. So I'm gonna show you on the computer step by step on how to apply. Okay, actually, if you didn't know me, my name is Moses Kendi, and welcome to my channel. And please consider subscribing if you're new to my channel. And if you like this video, please hit a like and share with your friend, someone who really needs it. Thank you for watching. Let's go on the computer. I'll show you how. Welcome here to my computer. I'm gonna show you step by step on how to apply if you're based here in USA or you're outside of Uganda. And this will absolutely help you. First, open your search engine. I have Chrome here. You can open all you have. Is to search Safari, whatever you have. Okay, so just go to website, and if you want, you can start with www.passport.go.uganda. I'm just gonna do passports.go.uganda UG. So just do that. Sorry about that. So if you look it up, that will bring you at this page. This is the page. You see Republic of Uganda, and this is the new passports. So where you wanna go is right here. Apply. You're gonna start a new application. Even though you are renewing your application, you're gonna start a new application. Okay. Just hit new application, and you'll come to this disclaimer right here. Just read it through, but just if you need a passport, you need to agree. Otherwise, you won't get it. So here they ask your phone number. So you select the country. If you're not in Uganda, so you need to change this to, like for me, I'm based here in US. So I'm gonna go down to US and find it right here. United Kingdom. So where's US? Right here, United States. I just put there. I put in my number. This is gonna be a fake number. Don't try to call me on that number, it's fake. 857. Yeah, that's good. So email, I'm gonna use my, it says invalid. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't know why it says invalid, but yeah. So email is very important. You put in your email. So I'm gonna put my business email. If you want, you can send me an email with any question. So that's my business email. Such question, security question. You put in whatever you want. So I put in there my name. So I don't know why this is saying it's wrong, but let me try again. So I'll copy the one is in there. Sorry about that. Let me just remove my phone here. Alright, my phone is now do not disturb. Let me try just to put in my number here. My business number is 718426140. You see, it's correct right now. So my nickname is there. So you copy these numbers. Don't worry about they don't have to be. They're not case sensitive. They're not case sensitive. Just enter the numbers. So hit save and continue. Yep. Now we started our application. So type of a passport. If you're just a regular person like me, just put in that type of application. So here it's going to select if you're a new applicant or renewal. Okay, here you select which case you have. So for us here, mostly it's renewal. Priority, just if you want to express, you pay a little more. If you don't really want to travel right now, you just select that. Place of submission, where do you want to send it? Like if here in the US, you need to select Washington DC embassy. If you're in different places, you can see there is options. So for us here in the US, Washington DC. Here place of collection, where you're gonna get it from, probably here again, Washington DC. So passport number, so this one is the number, passport number, like your old passport. So for me here, I don't have anything. I'm just gonna put numbers like that. I'm just gonna put numbers. Place of issue was Uganda. Then date of issue, just select one of these dates. Which year? Okay, let's say 2018. The expiry date, choose one of these. Expiry date has to be a little like this way. So and just save and continue. If you want to leave and come back later, you can just do this, but for me, save and continue. So it's loading. So now here you can enter personal details, surname. I'm just gonna enter stuff, right? Okay, so continue, save and continue. So it's loading. Now we here citizenship, where by birth. Like if you're born in Uganda, you do that on by naturalization, by registration. I say by birth. Most of the people will be by birth. Save and continue. And then here they're asking about father's details. So you put in your, if they're alive, you put them alive, their surname. I'm just gonna put names here, Okay, put in Ugandan, what is it? Ugandan. Save and continue. it's just basic information of yours. So next of kin, this is they're asking for a person that really knows you, where they can reach in case of anything. So I put in my dad, the phone number. So put his phone number. So I'm gonna put again my phone number. 842. The email, those are not really important. So relationship, I'll say further, move forward. Residential address, where they live right now, whatever you want. You can choose Uganda or whatever that your dad lives, whatever the person you choose they live. So just choose one of those. So my dad lives here, not in Uganda, he doesn't live there, he lives in US actually. So choose one of these. United States. So just save and continue. Oh, they're asking more. So NIN number. So this is very important. You need to put one of these NIN numbers if you have the ID. If you don't have an ID, put a passport number. If you don't have a national ID, put a passport number. Okay, and continue. The phone number is invalid, so yeah, I know why, because I didn't change location, and I put a US number, so that's what happened there. So go there and change the US number. Uganda, okay, I know Uganda number. Okay, I'm gonna put in a Uganda number. Oh wait, 7738111. I figured it out. So moving forward, so here is recommender. Whoever recommends you, please put in your friends, co-workers, boss, and stuff like that. Just gonna put don't put relationship like your brother or something. It's better to put in someone that you it's a little farther from where. So just gonna put here my boss. Professionalism, I just choose all these. Address. So again, NIN number. Put the ID number. Their phone number again. Say phone number. How many did I put? I think I put more. So you have to be 14 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Two more, 13, 14. So now we're going to almost last page. This is payment. So when I called them, they told me that here you need to choose one of these banks. Choose over the counter bank. I mean, choose Visa or MasterCard. No, choose one of the these banks, and choose any of these banks, doesn't matter. So just choose one of these, even though you live in US. This was the most confusing part, but they told me choose any of these banks, it's gonna be fine. So just Citibank, save and continue. So here you'll have a chance to review all these ones. This is your information that you just entered, and if you're comfortable doing this one, agree and do this. HVYU, save and complete. So it's ready to go. You hear? So you're gonna print. Oh, I didn't put it right. So that was VF. I think that's it. Well, let's see. So save and continue. So when this is done to load, you will need to print this. You see, this is my application right now. You see my name there. You see everything. So what you need to do, you need to print this. You see, it became now a printable thing. So you see here, you can print this. After you print, you see, oh, that's my information that I just entered. And so you'll mail this one. So you choose one of these banks. So please ensure that you pay your PRN before 21 days expire. So you need to pay that bank. That's how they handle the money. So you go to your bank and just choose that bank. And you figure up here. Mail this one to DC. There's a address. You need passport photos. So you need to have at least 2 passport photos, and you mail this one to Washington DC. I will link the address in the description below, and maybe I'll put it on the screen somewhere. So you mail this one to DC, and this is your renewal process. So this one will take few days. They'll call you to make an interview and over the phone, and they'll send you stuff to Uganda to process, and they'll come ready for you to go ahead to get a new passport. So I hope this helps. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you very much. Good luck with everything. Bye.